How's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the Palmrest from a Dell Latitude 7280. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, unscrew and remove bottom base. Then unscrew and disconnect battery. Now unscrew, then remove bracket and mSATA SSD. Now unscrew and remove bracket. Then disconnect and remove wireless card. Next, unscrew and disconnect heatsink. Next, disconnect and remove CMOS battery. Then unscrew and disconnect LED circuit board. Then unscrew and disconnect speakers. Now unscrew and disconnect smart card assembly. Now unscrew and remove bracket. Then disconnect and remove DC jack. Now unscrew bracket and disconnect display cable. Then unscrew and remove display assembly. Next, unscrew and remove motherboard. Then disconnect keyboard cables. Now unscrew and remove keyboard assembly from Palmrest. The remaining piece is the Palmrest. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.